All right, so this is how you set up an if-else condition in high level using automations. I'm going to back up so you can see how I got here. So let's say you're starting from the agency view, switching to your sub account. On the left, go to automation, choose which workflow you're going to work on or start from scratch. In this case, I'm going to edit a workflow that I created in a previous video and add some conditions. So some background about the flow starts with a form submission. So this form is on my website. Whenever a new contact submits it, it adds them to this workflow. They get an email, a text, and then I get an internal notification. Now what I want to happen is I want it to wait for their reply, and if they reply yes, I want something to happen. And if they reply no or don't reply, I want something else to happen. So set that up. I have to add my question. Boom. Save. Okay. And then let's say I want to do the same for the email. So I'm gonna copy. Oh no. All right. Here we go. Boom. Save action. Is that saved? Boom. Okay. So now I'm gonna wait. So search for wait. These actions are important because they stop everything from getting sent at the same time. So now from wait, I'm gonna go contact reply. So boom. Now I haven't waited for reply from either one of these. The timeout is how long they have to reply before it continues down the campaign. I'm gonna do 3 days. When it comes to automations, it's set up like a line of dominoes. So start at the top and go step by step. So after it waits for the reply, if they do reply, the contact gets sent down this first branch. If they don't reply, the contact gets sent down a second branch. But I want to add an if else condition. That's what this video is about. So if they do reply, I want to add if else based on their answer that they say. So branch, contact replied. You have these three options. Contact replied. So this is if they replied at all. Replied message is, let's say I can say if they replied with a certain keyword. For example, if I wanted to type that in, that would be this one. I'm going to go with intent type because it's going to search to see if they say any variation of the word yes or anything positive, yes, sure, of course, it should go down the first branch. And if not, it's going to go down the second branch. So save action. So this branch is also for if it doesn't understand what they say, like if it's like a word that they can't recognize, the system, it'll send them down this branch. So again, I'm going to add an internal notification to tell me this happened. All right, boom. And then if they say yes, I want to send them a link to book an appointment. So I'm going to go through that next, how to create an appointment link based off of the high level calendars. But that's all I got for you. This is an if else condition. If you have any ideas for a flow that you want me to create a video about, just let me know in the comments and hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to save.